Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Nissan Leaf. First, ensure your vehicle is charged. To start, press the brake pedal and then the power button. The ready indicator will illuminate on the dashboard. To shift into drive, move the shifter to D. Always check your surroundings before moving. Remember to engage the parking brake when you stop. Driving your Leaf is a smooth experience. Engage the E-pedal for simplified one-pedal driving, where lifting your foot off the accelerator applies regenerative braking. This helps recover energy and extends your range. You can also choose between different drive modes, like Eco mode, to optimize for efficiency, or D mode for more responsive acceleration. Pay attention to the power meter for real-time energy usage. Charging your Nissan Leaf is straightforward. For daily use, a level 2 charger at home or work is ideal, providing a full charge overnight. When you need a quicker boost, locate a DC fast charger, which can charge your battery to 80% in about 40 minutes. Simply plug in the appropriate connector and the car will begin charging. You can monitor progress on the dashboard. Your Leaf offers several advanced features to enhance your driving. Nissan Connect EV allows you to remotely check your charge status or preheat the cabin. To maintain battery health, avoid frequent deep discharges and extreme temperatures. Features like Pro Pilot Assist can help with highway driving by maintaining speed and distance from the car ahead, offering a more relaxed journey. Enjoy your electric driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.